If you're having trouble verifying your identity on eBay, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the steps to resolve the issue and successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Check your email. Make sure to check the email associated with your eBay account for any messages from eBay regarding your verification status. They may provide specific instructions or reasons for the failure. Step 2. Review your information. Log into your eBay account and review the personal information you provided for verification. Ensure that your name, address, and other details are accurate and match the documents you plan to submit. Step 3. Gather required documents. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 4. Resubmit your verification. Go back to the verification section on eBay and follow the prompts to resubmit your identity verification. Upload the required documents as instructed, ensuring they are clear and legible. Step 5. Contact eBay support. If verification still fails after resubmission, reach out to eBay customer support for assistance. They can provide further guidance and help resolve any issues with your account. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully verify your identity on eBay. If you encounter any further issues, don't hesitate to seek help from eBay's support team.